Party ledger opening balance. When you enter the ledger opening balance of a party ledger for which you have activated bill reference features, you get a screen to enter bill reference wise breakup of the opening balance amount. Enter the bill wise details as follows. Date. Enter the date of bill prior to books beginning from date. Name. Enter bill reference, normally bill number or advance as the case may be. Due date or credit dates. Enter the due date of the bill or credit date. Credit dates. Bill due date would be arrived at by adding the credit dates from date of bill. Amount. Enter the opening outstanding bill amount, not bill original amount if partly paid. DRCS sign. Enter the sign D for debit balance and C for credit balance. The opening balance may contain multiple references of several voucher types like bills, debit note, credit note, etc. and may comprise of bill references of open bills, advance, on account also. Each reference would be entered in a separate row. On account in opening balance. If there is any difference between the ledger opening balance and net of all bills square up, that would be treated as on account. The amount difference is auto computed and carried by tally. You do not have to enter the on account amount. For example, if ledger balance is 12,000 but you have entered bill reference details of 9,000 only, then rupees 3,000 is automatically set up as on account.